All right, Dream jeans with a flat waist in a slim leg style. These are so fantastic and they've been very popular since we launched them. 5 colors, 3 inseams, inclusive sizes from extra, extra small through 5X on this. So I'm going to go through and tell you the colors. And then when Melissa comes back, we'll talk about the inseams because I haven't presented these for a while and I did not write the inseams down. So, okay. So, oh, here we go. We have the dark indigo in these, the charcoal gray, which is a really fun wash in that charcoal gray. It really looks like a denim. Then you have the black, oh, beautiful, essential, must have. Don't miss out on these. Then we have our colors, fern, which is like a really pretty evergreen-ish color. And finally, the warm tan, which is like a rich, saturated, veering to the khaki side. So nice flat waist on this. With the flat waistband, Melissa, the elastic is only at the tippity top of that flat waistband. It just lays nice up against the body. Some folks are finding that you could go down a size, or if you're in between sizes, you could go down a size in this waistband. I like to stick to my regular size, but I'm fuller in the tummy, so the 1X works for me. So, functioning pockets front and back, and then of course our signature heart that lets you know it's that dream jean material that you've come to know and love. 96% cotton, 4% spandex, knit French terry that's dyed to look like denim, or this beautiful twill.
All right.
Melissa, are you all good to go?
Oh, I'm ready for you, babe. Yeah, I'm ready.
Excellent.
All right. So I'm going to pop in here for a moment and just give some information. Please. So your item number is A663995. Thanks, guys, so much for being patient. Technical difficulties. $21 gets these home on Easy Pay. $63 if you want to get them outright. Now, this was new in September, and, you know, over, what did we say, over 5 million? Over 4 million Dream Jeans have been sold here at the Q. So if you've never tried Dream Jeans, like, this is your moment. Only pair in the show. And this is a great opportunity to get not just a, you know, regular denim color, like I have the dark indigo wash, but these colors, Angel, are so versatile, and we've been playing with them already in the show. Now this comes in short 28 inches in inseam, regular 31, and tall 34. And I do want to make mention of one thing, and then I want to talk about that short inseam. I'm wearing the regular. I'm 5'1" in the double extra small. Now, I would usually do short, but here's the thing. I love a cuffed jean. I think there's just something about it that, I don't know, I just think it adds like a little extra flair. So even if you tend to go for short, you can get a longer length and just play with whatever makes you happy. So just wanted to throw that out into the world.
I like it.
Yeah, so
I would say I'm wearing the 1X in the regular length. Perfect. And these are fitting me perfectly. I can wear these over a bootie or a shootie, or with these little, you know, Sketcher sneakers that I have on. Now, short, we're the only brand at QVC that does short, and I'll tell you why that is different than petite. Typically in the petite world, the rises are shorter. The front rise and the back rise are shorter to accommodate a petite figure in addition to the inseam, but we don't do that. The rises are the same on the short and the regular. Your only measurement difference is that inseam. Now on the tall, yes, my tall girls, give a shout out to my tall girls. It is a little bit longer. You can check those measurements on QVC.com under this item. It's just a little hint longer. I think it's like a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch or something like that, because, you know, taller women generally need a little bit more room as well.
Yeah.
So Jean Bice, our founder, would always say, I'm short, I'm not petite. I just need a shorter leg. I still need that full rise. So that's why we do it. And that differentiates our Dream Jeans from other pants at QVC that do give you that petite.
I love it. Thank you so much for clarifying. These are a well, you are fantastic. So, you know, I said it before, you know, when Jean Bice came to QVC, she really like interrupted all fashion here at the Q, doing things like that, creating that short inseam, and also just bringing us comfortable jeans. Like what? Like who would ever think that exists? I know we have to wrap, but I quickly just want to show everybody the inside. That amazing Dream Jeans knit.
Thank you.
Uber soft. So this is going to be your
it.
charcoal gray option. Look how cute if you cuffed it, that you get that lighter cuff at the bottom. This is your fern, which is an evergreen. Warm tan. By the way, not see-through. Even though it's a light color, do not be afraid. This is substantial. We have dark indigo, which I'm wearing, and your black. A 663,995. Short, regular, and tall inseams. Double extra small to 5X, $21 gets it home. I did a little woo when you said tall girls, because even though I am definitely the opposite of tall, I love that you guys offer it for everyone, all different heights. Because, you know, as someone who's petite, I always tell you, it's been so hard to find jeans. I like having the option to get something that fits me exact, or then I could play. So yeah. All right.
Love it.
So check this out.